Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit templates in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to edit templates. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Notion workspace via the web app, which of course I have done right here. Then, access the template. Navigate to the page or database that contains the template you want to edit. If you're looking for a template from the database, example Tax Lakes or Project Manager, just go to that specific database from the side panel. If you want to edit a global Notion template, which includes template from the template gallery, just go to your workspace where the template is applied. This is my workspace, and I have a global template in here, which is Meal Planner. So I'm just going to click on Meal Planner from the global Notion template. If the template is within a database, which is here, this is a database, just go ahead and click on the new button. That's the template button, usually labeled as new. All right. And once you click on that, you can go ahead and no, don't want to open, just want to close that and hit over to new. So you can replicate page format inside this database with templates, or you can go ahead and click on new to add a new template. That's if you want that. But if you just want to use this specific template, just go ahead and use specific templates, but you can click on new to open up a new template within this database. Now, for standalone templates, you can just simply navigate to the page where the template is located, which of course I've done right here. Once the template is open, all you need to do is to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the template, or the block that contains the template content, and click on edit. Now here we go. Now if it is a template within a database, you can go ahead and click on the drop down beside the template name. Okay, so where you have the template name in here, just go ahead and click on the drop down in here, and then you can start editing it by using new pages, by opening a new page and just editing it from the new page. All right, but then you can just go ahead and click on edit and edit your layer options, which are here. So now you can modify any part of the template, which we have in here. Now you can add or remove blocks, which include text, headings, to-do list, etc. You can change properties. If it's a database template, you can add new fields like date, status, or tags. This is a database template, so you can go ahead and add new properties, which I'm definitely going to show you how to do that shortly. And then you can also update styles such as fonts, colors, or images used in the template. Now here you go. This is weekly plan. You can just go ahead and click on that and change it to weekly planner, or edit it whatever name you want that to be, or let's say weekly meal planner. Then in here you have day of the week and you have meals, and these are pretty much properties which can definitely be edited. And how do you edit a property, which is what I'm going to show you. Go ahead and click on the property and click on edit property, and once you click on that, you can now, this is set as default, but you can go ahead and click on that day of the week and add an icon if you want, add an icon, or just go ahead and remove it. But you cannot really change this property because it's set to default and it's all locked, so its title type cannot be changed. And also the meals, if you click on edit property, you will see that you cannot also change the property type, which is here. Now this is set to default, so you can go ahead and change whatever text is in here. You can change this Monday, you can change all of the context within the table. And if you want to, since these are default properties, if you want to add a new property, just go ahead and click on this plus icon in here and add a new property. Now it could be a text property type or a number property type, or select multi-select status. Go ahead and choose any of that, and let's say I want select, and then from this select it could be let's say, I don't know, I just want to use ingredients. Okay, Then you can go in and click on option to add option to this ingredient. Let's say pepper from my options, and then click enter to add a new ingredient. Onion, click enter, and I'm going to add tomatoes and enter. I think I'm just going to work with that. So I've exited. I'm just going to go all X on that. So once you head over to ingredient, go to the ingredient tab, and then you click on any of the spaces, or click on the boxes within the columns. You can go ahead and select any ingredient for that. Let's say for this, tomato, and for this Tuesday, we're going to add onion as our basic ingredients. Just go ahead and make changes. And over here, we have this template here. It has gallery. You can go ahead and click on this edit option to edit it if you want to edit. So edit the name of the name, this overnight oat. So go ahead and edit that, or you can head over to this 3 dots menu and copy link, add the icon, edit property if you can. Also, this, you can click on the picture. You can just click on that and change the cover if you want to change the cover and make a lot of edits that you want to do in here. Replicate the same editing process for other pictures here or other meals that are represented here. If you want to delete any column, go ahead and click on the 6 dots icon that's next to the column and click on delete, and the entire column, even if it's a table, will be deleted, and you can just go ahead and add more if you want to add more. So that's pretty much how you can edit templates in Notion. You can also test the updated template. So click on the template button, which is here from the left corner, and just test the template. So click on it and refresh. You can go ahead and refresh in case you don't find what you've edited. And after you've refreshed the page, you see that your edits will now be visible, like what I just added here, tomato and onion. And that's pretty much the process. You can also edit the entire title of the page to something different. So this could be Afi Planner, and I'm just good to go. So I can just go to do, that's to open another page. And once I open another page, you can just go ahead and check it for more and click on Afi Planner, and that's it. All my edits are intact. So if the template is used across multiple pages or databases, just go ahead and check to see if the changes were applied everywhere, or update other instances as needed. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.